Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday. I'm back at Aldi and I'm getting a week of groceries. It's my birthday week, which means I get to go out to dinner on my birthday wherever I pick. And it's also Father's Day weekend. So my husband gets to do the same on Sunday. That's 2 less nights of meals. And we're going to my in-laws for dinner on Saturday. So that's another night less. I only have 4 meals to plan this week. So let's get in the store, get the goods, and I'll share with you my meal plan at the end. I'm getting these garlic and chive pita chips. They're $2.39, and I'm gonna have these this weekend with chicken salad that I'm getting later. We're having breakfast for dinner one night, and I'm gonna make bagel sandwiches, and everything bagels have just sounded really good to me. $2.19. My 11-year-old asked for these, Elsie. They're $2.19. $1.85 for restaurant-style tortilla chips. My husband just asked me to get more. These look so good. Everything croissant buns. I'm not getting them. They're $3.99, but they just look delicious. But I am getting the very inexpensive, less delicious white bread for toast and grilled cheese. It's a staple at our house. It's strawberry season. Wonderful price. I'm probably going to get 4 packs at $1.69. Red grapes look very firm and delicious, and they're only $1.29 a pound. I'm gonna get 3 of the 89-cent seedless cucumbers. My kids have been loving cucumbers. Okay, I'm gonna look for a good watermelon. They're $4.99, and my daughter has been waiting for me to buy a watermelon. 41 cents a pound for bananas. I'm getting a bunch. We're having homemade Jimmy John's subs for dinner one night, and I'm gonna make a Asian salad on the side. $2.99. Very simple. My whole family likes it though. 97 cents for a dozen eggs. Because the goodbye date is July 22nd, I'm actually gonna get 2 dozen. We're having breakfast for dinner, so I'll use a lot of eggs then, and we give my dog an egg a day, and that means we're just going through them, so good price. I have 2 kids that are taking antibiotics for strep right now, and chocolate milk helps the medicine go down. It turned out good that I got it last week, so I'm actually gonna get 2 of these, $1.54 a piece. I'm gonna get calcium and vitamin D orange juice for breakfast for dinner tonight, $3.35. I'm gonna get 3 Roma tomatoes for our subs, 89 cents a pound. And also a bag of mini avocados for subs and breakfast for dinner, although they're all extremely hard. Oh, that one might be good. $2.59. I'm making tomato soup on Wednesday because my husband is not going to be home for dinner, and everyone but him loves tomato soup. So I'm getting 6 cans of the basil, garlic, oregano tomatoes at 85 cents a piece. I'm also going to get 4 cans of the potatoes. I was hoping that I had the sliced ones for breakfast, but I'll have to slice them myself. I guess I can do that. I pan fry them, salt, pepper, butter, very good. Jar of hazelnut spread. I try not to buy this super often, but we don't have any. $2.45. Yellow onions, $1.99 for the bag. I somehow ran out of onions. Thousand Island dressing, or my son calls it Big Mac dressing, $1.89. And my personal favorite, the ranch, $3.29 for this. We do not have any canned artichokes here, so I'll have to get that at Meijer. My 11-year-old asked for the pretzel thins. We still have some hummus at home, and she likes these as part of her lunch, $1.89. I used the rest of our maple syrup yesterday. Love this stuff, $5.99. This is such a cute vinyl tablecloth. I don't have a round table to put it on, but I think it's adorable with the popsicles. They have different shapes. Only $3.49, super cute. This is funny, welcome-ish, depends on who you are and how long you stay. Different signs. Welcome to our home. Friends and family gather here. A little less rude. Americana signs. Lots of red, white, and blue going on here. patriotic tableware. I do really like the napkins. Big pet beds. We love our big pet bed. My cat uses his all the time. I love this collapsible pet pool because my dog has bit a hole in all of her in her pool, so it leaks, but I think she might do the same thing to this. But she's a 50-pound dog, and it's recommended up to 40. I do also really like this, a cooling mat. I actually am probably going to get her this. She is a very hot dog, so we can keep this in her crate. I don't know what I like best. Oh my goodness, and it's on sale for $14.99. I think I like that green one. I kind of do like that one too though. So it's 35.5-inch diameter, helps keep pets comfortable, no refrigeration needed, and it's cooler than room temperature. Also, it's non-toxic if they do get into it, which is nice to know. I'm gonna get this one. These are super cute. We bought those before, but my cats never use them. I can see why people spoil their dogs. Like, this is so cute. I'm going to get it for my dog. We'll see what she thinks. She's at daycare right now, but only $4.99. So much camping stuff, goodies, lights, lounge shorts. Those are cute. Walking sandals. Really cute. Yeah. These are funny. Burrito boppers, mega boxing gloves. Good thing my son's not with me. Oh, those are cute wooden tables and chairs. They are $30 and $40, but they look very pretty. If anyone has this, let me know if it's worth the money. It's marked down to $119.99, and we've thought about getting a smokeless fire pit. I would love to know if it works well for you guys. Okay, getting some bacon, and this is my favorite. I have bought this many a times. Always happy with it. $3.99. Okay, there is some red sticker chicken up here, but it's already more expensive because it's a smaller packs, and I have so much chicken from last time, I'm passing on it. I'm gonna get 3 boxes of these between house training and puking. My carpet has been through a lot. Okay, there's some chicken patties here. They have Roma style, Hawaiian, lots of different patties to grill up here. Cornish game hens, bacon wrapped shrimp. Lots of repeats from previous weeks. Breakfast bowls, breakfast pizza, onion rings still, different pizzas. Frozen mashed potatoes are still hanging out. It doesn't look like our store has sold any of them. Oh, my daughter was just telling me she wanted these. More ice cream cupcakes. Interesting. Lots of choices here. I'm gonna pass on them all. So my husband, his carryout is gonna be KFC on Father's Day. He loves it. I don't, which is why we never get it. But I'm gonna just have this cranberry almond chicken salad at $5.79 with those pita crisps and spinach and cheese, and it'll be perfect for me. Our favorite salami for when we make at home Jimmy John's, $6.19. It's so good. I call it pepperoni. My kid's favorite cheese, getting another bag, $2.89. Okay, I am making, for my birthday dinner at my in-laws, I'm making an artichoke dish, and I need Parmesan, $4.39 for that. Okay, provolone for our subs, $1.89. And then the mild and medium cheddar are $1.49. So I'm actually gonna get 2 of them at the medium. We go through this a lot. Bread, butter, cheese. subs, grilled cheese. Easy peasy. Okay, getting these for my dog. I'm gonna get 2 bags, 95 cents a piece. They're like frozen treats for her. Okay, I see 3 right off the bat. Actually, I see 4, so I'll see how many I can get. They're 89 cents a piece, but I'm taking them. I'm actually gonna get a couple grapefruit ones as I'm running really low on unflavored, and I've been drinking more of these since it's summertime. I'm gonna get 2 grapefruits and the 4 unflavored. This is new too, super cute, $50. A little expensive, but it's adorable. Here's my cart. Any guess on the total? Okay, I just saw this is on clearance. I love this. I have nowhere to put it. We do not need more furniture, but it's so pretty. $169.99. Okay, my total is $126.97, and I'm gonna go to Meijer for a few things, including prescriptions and artichokes. Then we'll get to the meal plan. Okay, first stop complete. Got my prescriptions for Calvin's pink eye and strep throat. I'm gonna get home at lunchtime, and I know my girls will be hungry, so I'm making a cheese pizza. I'm gonna get that for them. It's like less than $4, probably $3.85. Looks like $3.85. Cut up strawberries, really simple. Okay, I'm gonna get 4 cans of artichoke hearts at $2.39 a piece. I want some with our breakfast dinners, and then also for the dish. Okay, last thing for this trip, garden vegetable cream cheese, $2.39. Okay, my total is $15.80. Okay, I just got done at Meijer, and the funny thing is, as soon as I step out of the store, my daughter, my teen, texted me and said, "Is it too late to get Pop-Tarts?" And I literally give my kids an opportunity to put anything on the grocery list. I called them down. I asked for last minute additions. That's where sour cream and cheddar chips came from. Nothing. As soon as I'm down to the stores, I get an extra request, and I just said, sorry, you'll have to wait till next time, because I was not waiting in line again. But it felt like a very mom moment. But I spent 15 something at Meijer. Let's go home, see the meal plan for the week, and make that cheese pizza for my kids. Okay, so I just got home. Here's my meal plan for the week. We're having breakfast for dinner tonight. That's basically going to be egg, toast. We have yogurt, granola, orange juice. I'm making the bacon. We have bagels. Lots of choices. Kind of build whatever plate you want. We're going to have tomato soup and grilled cheese when my husband's having Father's Day dinner with his dad. I'm going to make homemade Jimmy John's. I make this using day-old Jimmy John's bread, so I'll pick that up when we have that dinner. I'm going to make the salad kit. We'll have chips, fruit, super simple. And then we're going to have leftovers of those 3 meals on Thursday. Friday is my birthday. I get to pick where we're going to go. 99% chance it's going to be Mexican. We're going to my in-laws for family dinner. My mother-in-law is doing an Italian dinner, and I'm bringing an artichoke side dish. So you can find the recipe for that, but basically it's Parmesan breadcrumbs, garlic, oil, lots of yummies on top of baked artichokes. And then finally, my husband gets to pick dinner for Father's Day. He said takeout. He hasn't committed, but I'm pretty sure he's going to pick KFC, which I don't hate KFC. It's just not what I'd pick. So I'm going to have the chicken salad and chips, and I have a wedge of Gouda here. That sounds perfect to me, but it's not a meal anyone but me would like. So it's good to do when we have carryout that I don't like. So that's the meal plan for the week. If you want to see Jimmy John's at home in action, you can watch this video where I share it along with some other meals. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Don, and ciao.